Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see one more problem from LeetCode. So this is the problem number 121. This is the best time to buy and sell the stock. So as per the problem, we have given one array of prices. The prices of I will be the price of ith day, right? Now what we want to maximize the profit choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell that, right? And then the condition is that we need to return the maximum profit, and then if we can't get the profit, then basically we'll return the zero. So let's take an example of this, like the edge case, basically the this case. So when we'll get profit as zero, so let's say, so basically this is the example. So let's take it in a notepad, or maybe yeah, in a wordpad. Yeah, so for this one, let me quickly, yeah, so for this one, if you see, we have the array like this, right? So 7 6 4 3 1. So let's say we buy the stock at this day and then sell in any of the day, we will be getting the profit in a negative, right? We will be getting in a minus. Why? Because every time the stock prices keep on decreasing, so it's like this. So let's say some other day, this is the graph. Oops, yeah, let me close this. So let's say some other day, if this is the graph, and so the profit is like this. It's not at all profiting, it's like loss, uh, stock. Yeah, so for this one we simply return zero. Now let's take another example of the uh, positive scenario. Take it for this one. For this one, let's paste it over here, right? Okay, okay. So for this one, um, so we have the stock. Let me draw it as well. So we have this array of the stock like this: 7 1 5 3 6 and 4. So let's say we buy the stock at 7, and then we were trying to sell it, but we can't find any value which is greater than 7. So in that case we will be getting the zero profit. And then let's say we are buying it at this time, like the second day, and then we're trying to sell it in a third day, then the profit will be 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Now let's say we keep it in a this day also, and we'll sell it in a third day, or maybe the fourth day. Now the profit will be 3 minus 1 equals to 2, right? Let me write it over here. 5 minus 1 equals to 4, 3 minus 1 equals to, let's say I sell it in a this day, then the profit will be 6 minus 1 will be 5. And if I'll sell it in a this day, then the profit will be 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now if you see, we can maximize the profit by choosing this combination. So what we'll do, we'll buy the stock in a second day, and then we'll sell it in a 1 2 3 4 fifth day, right? By doing this we can maximize the profit to 5. Now how you can achieve it? So let me quickly, yeah, let me quickly scroll down, and then let me quickly fetch it. 7 1 5 3 6 4. So it's 7 1 5 6 3 4. So how our approach will be, so we will be needing the array. Now we need the three or maybe the two variable. So the first variable will be minimum, that will be currently pointing to the 0th index. Now there will be one more variable, that will be max. So let's assign it as 0. Why 0? Because let's say if we have the stock price that is keep on decreasing, 3 2 1, in that case we need to return max equal to 0, right? It is written over there, this one. Now let's say we have our count like this. What we will do, we have minimum equal to 0th element and then maximum equal to 0. We'll iterate it from here, right? We'll iterate it from here. We'll check if minimum, that is the 7, if 7 that is greater than 7, so that is in the first index, so it won't do anything. Now, and max also will be same over there. Now, so that will be the iteration 1. So in iteration 1, min and max both will be basically both will be same. So minimum will be 7 and maximum will be 0. Now in iteration 2, that will be interesting. So iteration 2 will come over here, right? And then what it will see, this element, this 1 is less than, basically 1 is less than 7, right? So our minimum will be 7 and then maximum will be, so maximum what it will do, it will check from 1 and 0, whatever is maximum it will assign it to over there. So 1 is a maximum, so maximum will be this. Now in the third iteration, so let me give the iteration 3. So what it will do, it will come over here. Now it will come over here, it will see, so it will first calculate the minimum. So minimum is what? Minimum is 1. So it will see whether 1 greater than 5. No, it's not greater than 5. So minimum will be same, remain 1 only. And then what it will do, it will try to get the max. So max will be so 5 minus 1, that is 4. So whether 4 is greater than 1, yes it is. So what it will do, wait, 4 is greater than 1, right? Yes, it is. So what it will do, it will assign the maximum to 4, right? Now iteration 4, in iteration 4 it will come over here. Now what it will do, it will check our minimum is what, our minimum is again 1. So what it will do, it will check whether 1 greater than 3. No, so minimum again will be 1. And then in max, what it will do, it will check our previous max is 4, right? Previous max is 4. Let me remove the previous max first. Let me calculate the current max. So our current max will be uh, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 is greater than 4, no, right? The max also will be 4. Now in iteration 5, so we are at iteration 5, right? In iteration 5, basically here what will happen, it will basically the same, it will check the minimum, whether minimum is greater than 6. No, so minimum will be same as 1. Now what it will do, it will check the max. So for max it will check current 6 minus 1, current minus minimum is equal to 5. 5 is greater than the previous max, 4, yes it is. So what it will do, it will update the max to 5, right? Let me scroll it down. Oops, or array, yeah. So now we are at the last index, basically we are over here, so we are at iteration 6. Let me, yeah, we're at iteration 6, right? After iteration 5 we are at iteration 6. Iteration 6, let me check minimum. So minimum is 1. 1 is greater than what it was, 6. After 6 what it was, 4, yeah. So 1 is greater than 4, no, so minimum will be remain 1 only. Now for maximum, so let me calculate the maximum. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 is greater than 5, no, So max won't update, and that the max will be 5 only. Now at the end of the loop, it will be returned, and then 5 is our answer over there. You can see. Yeah, so 5 is our answer. Yeah, so let's understand in the LeetCode how this code is working. So as per the approach, I have written the basic code. Um, yeah, so I have submitted as well. It got pass. Have submitted just now. So yeah, let's see how this code is actually working. Let me take the snap of the code. Okay, so yeah, I took the snap of the code, and then let me try to paste it over there. Yep. Okay. So let me try to paste it over here. Yeah, so this is the code. Basically our approach was so to create two variables. Yeah, so that's what we have done. Just give me a second. Yeah, so our approach was to create two variable. So the min variable, the min variable will be pointing to the first index, and the price will be 0. Then what we have done, we have iterated our loop from 0 till the length of the array, and then as discussed, we we just marked it as min. So minimum, what we have done, we marked it as a min. We took the help from math API. So we are getting the min from min and then current element. So whichever is minimum, we are assigning it to min variable, and then we are just getting the temporary profit from the current element minus min, and then we are storing the actual profit with the maximum of these two. So that was quite a straightforward solution. And then at the end, what we will be getting, we will be getting the 5 from here with this array. Yeah, so I hope you got the solution of this problem. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.